Goals. Global reach. Commerce operates locally, nationally, internationally, supported by global trade networks. Now we discuss scope of commerce. The scope of commerce is vast, covering various activities and sectors that facilitate trade and economic transactions. It can be divided into two main categories: trade and aids of trade. Trade is the core of commerce, involving the buying and selling of goods and services. It is classified as internal trade, transaction within a country; wholesale trade, buying and selling in bulk for resale or business use; retail trade, selling goods directly to consumers for personal use; external trade, transactions between countries; export trade, selling goods to foreign markets; import trade, purchasing goods from foreign countries; entrepot trade, importing goods to re-export them after processing or storage. Now, aids to trade. These are supporting activities that facilitate trade by removing barriers and ensuring smooth operations. Transportation enables the movement of goods from producers to consumers, for example, railway, shipping, air and road transport. Warehousing provides storage for goods to ensure availability and prevent spoilage or damage. Banking and finance offer financial services like loans, credit and payment system to support commercial transactions. Insurance protects businesses from risks such as theft, fire or damage during transportation. Advertising and marketing promotes goods and services to create demand and inform consumers about the product. Communication facilitates coordination between buyers, sellers, and other stakeholders through postal services, internet, or telecom. Packaging ensures goods are protected and attractively presented for sale. Other aspects of scope: e-commerce, online platform for buying and selling, expanding commerce through digital marketplaces. Globalization, integration of markets worldwide, enabling cross-border trade and investment. Legal framework. It includes regulations, contacts, and trade policies that govern commercial activities. Technology integration. Use of AI, that is artificial intelligence, blockchain, and data analysis to enhance efficiency and transparency in commerce. Service sector. It includes commerce in intangible services like education, healthcare, and IT services. So we can conclude that commerce is a multifaceted economic activity centered on the exchange of goods and services. Its nature is